Dorian CR is a Holsteiner gelding with positive attributes in every aspect. Dinken's 5-year-old son, a grandson of Dierado, comes from a mother who descends from Clearway and Contender. In his very first competition season, Dorian CR was able to win young horse classes up to medium level. With his always positive attitude, the Type E youngster is the most reliable partner in any course. And he is very rideable. At the jump, he leaves no question unanswered.